So are we able to detect, like, even beyond the transactional level, are we able to detect how customers are behaving to try to nip it in the bud?
Yeah, definitely, Tom, we can. Like Robert said, we get a lot of data up front. We see customers across multiple verticals, multiple products, and we know how they typically act. And with the ability to see that person again, we can tell you, this is them, this isn't them, and so we can help identify them up front before you get into a bad situation with them.
Right. I think that's a really key point too that Jeremy touched on. Consumers look a little bit different when they come in different directions, and especially when they buy different items and different verticals. So one of the major trends that we see, or at least I've seen over the past 5, 6, 7 years, there is a major focus on chargeback management and payments orchestration. How can we make sure we accept the right transaction at the right time? That's kind of table stakes at this point, and we're starting to see that grow even further out in both directions, where now the question is, these customers log in, are they logging in with the same device, the same characteristics? Are they shopping in the same manner? So again, kind of the whole conversation we've had today is really around how can we get broader and bigger to make sure by the time it does become a transaction and you get to that intersection of, hey, I've got a customer in a dispute, and now VAMP gets involved and card networks, how do we avoid that even before it gets there? Or how do we correct the way that we're communicating with these customers, the way that we're trying to sell to these customers earlier on before it's too late?